Hey guys, I've built a 4-step process on how to generate high quality leads with using LinkedIn groups and Sales Navigator. I'm an expert in how to build your pipeline using LinkedIn, email, SMS, and WhatsApp. So in today, we're going to focus on LinkedIn, but using LinkedIn groups, which is it's still very underrated because when you join a group, you're able to have a speaking point to social sell. So not only are we going to be engaging with them with already a like-minded community that we're both a part of. I suggest if you are new to LinkedIn, go watch my Optimize Your LinkedIn Profile because this is a first step that you need to take in order to make sure your profile is ready to lead generate. This is going to be a 4-step process because I'm going to make this 5 short videos and they're going to be super sharp and to the point. Now, in today's video, I'm going to jump on my computer, share my screen, and I'm going to show you how to first source the group, but second, how to pull that group through LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and then add that into an automation process to reach out and create an outbound communication. I'm excited. Let's get to it. Okay. Now you can see my screen. I need you to come up to the search bar here and type in any keywords that are a part of your ideal client and who will be in that group that you want to target to build out your pipeline. So for this video, I have typed in LinkedIn lead generation groups. If you don't see the groups come up straight away, hit the group search bar and you will see that it will just focus on what groups have those keywords in. Feel free to explore the groups. Make sure you join them so you can pull that through to LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you haven't already, join our Grow Your Pipeline lead generation community. Now, for this video, I'm going to use B2B social media. This group here, I'm already accepted into, so I can pull this into LinkedIn Sales Navigator. LinkedIn Sales Navigator has a 30-day free trial if you haven't yet purchased that subscription. If not, it's $99 per month. Let's jump in and create our ideal clients using the filter. So we're going to come into lead filters. And then what we're going to scroll down to is groups. Click here. Type in the group name. And you're going to see everyone within that group is going to pop up here. So we now can narrow this down to a 2.5K list. We don't want anything above that to be able to automate this process. So for me specifically, what matters is the location. So I'm going to say United States include, right? If there's states that you specifically just want to work with, narrow it down further. The more filters you put in, the higher quality this lead list is going to be for you. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, please give a subscribe and a thumbs up. It boosts my ego, but it also, more importantly, helps this channel grow. Now, I've created for you a free resource on how to LinkedIn lead generate from start to finish. Plus, it also has my Notion portal. This is my secret weapon to growing and scaling my LinkedIn lead generation agency clients. This also has an AI built into Notion, so it helps you so much with producing high quality copy. Back to the video. So, what's important to me is the seniority level. So I want to be speaking with owners. I want to be speaking with VPs, director, CXO, partner. Let's see what this number comes down to. Perfect. The next thing I would actually do, if this list was over 2.5K, this is a hack, guys. Come down to Spotlight, and I would say, posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days. These are hyperactive LinkedIn users. So what does that mean? That means that they're going to accept your connection request because LinkedIn is an important social media group for them. The other thing that you can do is look at company headquarters, company headcount, and also years in current position. So if you want someone that has been in their role for a very long time, you can actually use this filter. And I love this filter because this is a talking point. Any of these filters that you put in, you need to note that in your Notion portal or wherever you like to use your like if you use Trello or if you use your Google Drive, write all of this down and take a screenshot because you want to refer back to this when you're building out your automated sequence. Guys, this has been so short and sharp, but I want you to watch the next video as we go into copy. And copy is the most important part of this process besides this. So play around with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. But I also want you to make sure that you save this search. So when you save this search, I've maxed out my search limit. When you save this search, you need to make sure that you use a lot of detail. So I would call it B2B social media group, and I'm tagging seniority level XYZ, geography, US. This is super helpful for when you come into your saved searches and you want to pick that list up and have a look at it and have a look through the leads that you're targeting. This is also another important note, guys. You want to make sure that these people are within the right industry. For me, I want to speak to anyone in this group. But for you, you might only want to target the IT world. Okay, so it's really important to narrow down industry specific if that's who your ideal client is. Guys, watch the next video for the next part of the series. I'll see you there.